Hey guys, it's me, Brooke, and welcome back to Brooke's Fun School. Today I'm here with my little brother, Kash. And today we are doing sight words slash, we're working on our TH sounds, which, do you know what the T and the H make together? The sound that they make? Can you guys say that? Good job. So, a T and H, just like this one, makes. So if you see a T and an H, you don't say t, h, you say like that, that,
like that,
that,
or like that.
no, that, that.
That cat.
So
That cat Matt
that's an example. We're gonna put
that.
this one at that. Okay, guys. When you guys see a TH word, I want you to shout a TH word. I see it. Okay. So tell me when you guys see a TH word. Okay. That a TH word?
No.
No. What word is that?
Does
It have a th at the beginning? Let's put that one right there. Okay. Now for the next one. Remember,
this one goes like right here, and then the good one will go.
remember, tell me when you see a TH word.
TH. No, T. It has TH.
Does it have a TH?
No, it doesn't. It just, I thought it was
No. What word is this?
T. H, A, B, E.
The E is silent. The E is silent.
Bro.
Ignore the E.
Bro.
Sound it out.
Overall.
No, sound it out.
H, A, B.
What is it?
Have.
Good job. The E is silent. So just go like
H, A,
that.
B.
Have.
I have my toys. Don't
But
take them away.
that doesn't have a Z at the beginning. Let's put this in the not TH pile. Remember, tell me when you see a TH word.
No. Actually,
No, what word is this? The E is silent again, guys.
the E is always silent. H, H, A, M.
No, try again.
Hum.
No, try again.
H, O, M.
Try again.
H, A.
Home. The word is home.
Home, sweet
E is
home.
always silent.
Home.
But that is not a Z word. What about this one?
It's
Is
me.
that one a TH word?
No, it's me.
The word is me.
Can you see me?
Does that have a Z at the beginning?
Do you see me?
We're not doing sentences,
Do
Kat.
you see me?
Yes, Kat, we see you, but we're not doing sentences.
Ow.
What about this? Is this a TH word?
No.
Wait until I show the camera. Wait until I show you, and then you say, okay? Is this a TH word? Kash, is that a TH word?
No.
No. What word is that? What word is that, guys? Kash, do you know that word? I think they need help.
Ro.
Try again.
Fro.
No, try again. They need help, Kash. Help them say what this word is. Four. The word is four, but there's not a Z at the beginning. Oh no, we're having a hard time finding the TH words.
No.
No, what word is this? You guys know what word this is?
Fro.
Four. If you guys guess four, that was an excellent job. Good job.
Why is there?
But no more TH words.
Oh, I see a TH. I see TH. I don't see a
Is
TH.
this one a TH word?
No.
No. What word is this?
And.
Good job. Did you guys know the word was and? I hope you did.
There's still no TH.
Do you guys see what I see?
Yeah.
Is this a TH word?
Yes.
That's a TH word? We found a TH word. I'll give you a hint. The T and the H make Z. So what's this word?
This.
This. me, guys.
This.
Say it with me, Cash. Cash. Say it with me. This. Say it with me. This. So T and the H make this. We found a TH word finally, guys. Okay, let's put it in this pile to keep them separate.
Do you see what I see?
Guys, it's another TH word.
No.
If you guys saw that, say, I saw it down in the comments. Well, do you guys know what word this is? Through. Sometimes a T and a H make like this. But sometimes they make through, like that. Okay, what about, guys, look.
Do you see what I see? It's a TH.
It's another TH. Well, do you guys know what word this is? Do you know what word this is?
No.
30.
30.
30. Good job. We found another TH word, guys. Look, it's another one. It's another one. What word is this, guys? Do you guys know this word? What about you, Cash? Do you know the word? They need help. Them. Good job. Remember, guys, you can always sound it out. What about this one?
Another TH.
It's another TH word. This one's a short one.
But
What word is this?
It's the.
Do you know this word?
Yes, it's the.
Good job. The word is the. Do you guys see what I see? It's another TH word. But what word is it? They. Good job. The word is they, guys. If you knew that, you did an excellent job. Hey, we're going to put this in the T and H pile. What about this one? Yes, look. It's another TH word. But guys, what word is it? Do you know the word? I'll give you guys a few 10 seconds to sound it out. 10, 9, count with me. Use your fingers because I can't use my fingers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That. The word is that. Good job. High five. High five. Give me a high five. Yoink. High five, guys.
Boom.
High five. Good job. Okay, sit down, Cash. Thank you for listening. High five for listening. Okay, everybody give him a high five for listening. Do you see it? It's another T and H word. 3. Say it with me, guys. 3. Guys, say it with me. 3.
It's 3.
The word is 3. Good job, guys. And good job to you too, Cash.
High five, everybody.
Group high five. Woo!
Bam, boom, double fist.
Bam. This is our secret handshake, guys. We can't show you the whole thing, but bam, boom, double fist, out of this world, belly bump. Usually we stand up and do it, but yeah, that's our secret handshake. Guys, look. Do you see what I see? It's another T and H word.
But what?
What word is it?
Why
Do you guys know this word?
Why are we practicing if there's like THs?
What's this word?
I don't know.
It's thirst. Say it with me, everybody. Thirst.
Thirsting, thirst down the
Okay, what about Cash? Guys,
Another
everybody look! It's another TNH word. But what word is it?
And do you know we're almost going to have fireworks, but it's a long time.
Actually, it's a short amount of time. Next month is the 4th of July.
Yay!
And he just reminded me of something. I have the question of the day. I want to know, what are you guys doing for 4th of July?
We are
going to California.
And we're going to do some fireworks with our aunt.
Yes, and our cousins.
Yeah. And I want to do the poop one with the dog, like...
Oh, yeah. Funny one. It's like a dog poops out a firework and then it explodes in the sky.
Yeah, it's
very
so
funny. But also, the question of the day, how many siblings do I have? Our dog is scratching at the door. But the question of the day is, how many siblings do I have? But I'll give you one clue. It's not one. Not one.
Or not two.
My other one's just something.
It's not two. It's not one or two. It's not two.
It might be 2.
It's not 31. It's not 31.
It might be 2, it might be 3, it might be 4, I might have 16. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
Could be other ones. I might not be telling you.
It could be.
Okay, what word is this, everybody?
It's a TH!
Yeah, what word is it? Think. Say it with me, everybody. Think. Think. The word is think. Guys, look. Cash, look. It's another TNH word.
Are you serious?
Well, we have one problem. We don't know the word. What word is this, guys?
I can't wait till 4th of July.
What word is this, Cash?
A lot.
Thrill.
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 Thrill. Thrill. My dog's still scratching.
My dog again.
It's maybe marshmallow, but...
What about this word? Is this a TNH word? Guys, is this a TNH word?
No.
Guys, is this a TNH word?
No.
No. What word is this?
Wop. Wop.
I'll give you guys a few seconds to sound it out. Cash, you know what to do. Count down.
10.
Actually, before you count down, I want you to try and sound it out too.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cash, sound it out.
I don't know.
Sound it out.
What?
No.
What?
Want. The word is want, guys. If you guys want, you did an excellent good job. Well, this goes in the not TNH pile.
We forgot to do, that's not it. That's not it.
No.
Oh, we have to do what then?
Is it a TNH word?
That is not the TH word.
That's not a TNH word. What word is this? We don't. Do you guys know the word? Because Cash doesn't know the word and he needs your guys' help. Can you guys help him? What is this word, Cash? I'll help you guys for all the people who need help. The E is silent.
Give.
Hold on. The E is silent, so don't listen to that E.
So it's give.
Give. Give. Give. Say it with me, guys. Give. Give. Give.
Give.
But the E is silent.
No E's.
So what pile does go in? The TNH pile or the not TNH pile?
Not TH.
Not TNH pile. This one doesn't have a T and an H. And it definitely doesn't make the sound Z.
It doesn't have this TH. It doesn't have a T and it doesn't have an H. So
yeah, and it also doesn't have a Z or a sound. So let's put it in the not TNH pile. What about this? Is this a TNH word?
No, and it's called play.
No, What word is this, guys?
Play.
Guys, if you need help, just ask Cash.
Playing some video games. Play.
The word is play. Good job for helping them, Cash. They want to give you a high five too.
Oh, you put your hand right there too.
Okay, so this go in the TNH pile or the not TNH pile? Does it go in this pile?
Or it goes in this pile. Which pile does it go in?
Okay.
The people said not teenage.
Good job, guys. It doesn't go in the TNH pile because it doesn't have a T and an H. And it also doesn't have a sound Z, I know. Z or it's not funny, Cash, how you picked it up on purpose so that you would see. Just kidding. Okay, what about this one? Is this a TNH word, guys?
No.
Is this a TNH word, Cash?
No.
Wait till I show you. No, it's not a TNH word. What? Wait, what word is this? Guys, do you know? If you do, tell Cash the answer. He needs help. He needs your guys' help. Help.
Help.
Help.
Help.
Help. Okay, does this go in this pile? Or
I hold that one. I hold that one.
I got it. Or this pile.
The kid said not.
It goes in this pile. If you guys said this pile, you are correct.
You're correcto.
You're 100%
Correcto.
Okay, that's enough. Yep, I put these down upside down. I put them like this. Okay, put them like that.
No.
No. What word is this, guys?
I don't know.
Oh, good. Good job. You did a good. You guys also did a good job.
You're 100%.
But I need this time. I need your guys' help. Cash, I also need your help. What pile does this word go in?
This one.
No, Cash, I need yours. I need both of your guys' help. We can just tell them, Cash. Give me the word.
It's that one.
What word does this guy go in? Is it a TNH pile or the no TNH pile?
Not teenage.
The no TNH pile. That's correct. Just put that in that pile. What about this one, guys? Does this one have a T and an H?
No, and it's called
No.
two.
What word is this, guys?
It's two. You got two.
Cash, wait till I show you. Sorry. What word is this, guys? Cash, what is this word? They need your help. Good job. High five.
Wait a minute. We forgot to put which one in there.
Which pile does it go in? The TNH pile or the not TNH pile?
Not teenage. Not teenage.
Okay, we're going to put it in the not TNH pile. So I want you guys to get a piece of paper and I want you to write down this. Through. Okay. Thirsty. Wait. 30. Okay. Then.
Them
Pause the video if you need more time to spell it.
Them.
The. They.
They had a wonderful day.
That.
That had a wonderful day.
Cat, please don't. 3. Thirst.
Okay, there's the, but it has a thirst.
Thing.
I don't know what word that is. That's not
Thrill. Thin. these.
Can't wait till it's for the.
Sick.
Can't wait till it's 4th of July.
Van.
Can't you wait till 4th of July?
Thump.
I can't wait till 4th of July. I'm not waiting.
Think.
I'm already waiting.
There. Those. Then. And that. Those are your, I want you guys to all practice those. If you missed some, just go back into the video and write them all down. If you can't do it, just get your mom, dad, big brother, big sister, grandma, grandpa, whoever can help you. And make sure they write all of these down. That is your homework. I'm going to get Kash's homework down. And I hope that you guys can remember all of them and remember the and so I'm going to get Kash's homework ready. But we need to sadly go. But make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. That was bad. Goodbye.